Hey tech lovers, welcome back to Money Making Mel. If you're new here, I'm Mel, and today we're diving into the exciting world of AI stocks. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, this beginner's guide will help you navigate the AI stock market. So buckle up and let's get started. First things first, what exactly are AI stocks? AI stocks refer to the shares of companies that are either developing artificial intelligence technologies or utilizing them to enhance their products and services. These stocks represent a growing sector in the market, driven by the rapid advancements in AI and machine learning. AI stocks are shares of companies that are developing or utilizing artificial intelligence technology. These companies are at the forefront of innovation, leveraging AI to create smarter, more efficient solutions. From automating mundane tasks to providing deep insights through data analysis, AI is revolutionizing various aspects of business operations. These companies range from tech giants like Google and Microsoft to startups specializing in AI-driven solutions. Tech giants have the resources to invest heavily in AI research and development, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Meanwhile, startups bring fresh perspectives and innovative approaches, often focusing on niche applications of AI that can disrupt traditional industries. Investing in AI stocks means you're betting on the future of technology, where AI plays a crucial role in industries like healthcare, finance, and transportation. In healthcare, AI is being used to develop personalized treatment plans and improve diagnostic accuracy. In finance, AI algorithms are optimizing trading strategies and detecting fraudulent activities. In transportation, AI is the backbone of autonomous vehicles and smart traffic management systems. AI is transforming the way we live and work, from smart assistants like Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars and predictive analytics. The potential is immense. Imagine a world where AI not only assists in daily tasks, but also makes critical decisions in real time, enhancing efficiency and productivity. As AI continues to evolve, its applications will expand, creating new opportunities for growth and investment. By investing in AI stocks, you're not just investing in a technology, you're investing in a future where AI is an integral part of our lives. So why should you invest in AI stocks? The AI industry is growing rapidly, with the global AI market expected to reach $190 billion by 2025. Companies leading in AI innovation are likely to see substantial growth, making their stocks attractive long-term investments. Look at this projected growth. Investing in AI stocks could be a great way to ride the wave of technological advancement and potentially earn significant returns. Now let's talk about how you can start investing in AI stocks. Investing in AI stocks can be a great way to capitalize on the rapid advancements in technology and the growing influence of artificial intelligence in various sectors. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a beginner, understanding the steps to invest in AI stocks can help you make informed decisions and potentially reap significant rewards. Here are some simple steps to get you started. Step 1. Do your research. Identify companies that are leaders in AI technology. Researching is crucial because it helps you understand which companies are at the forefront of AI innovation. Look for companies that have a strong track record in AI development, significant investments in AI research, and a clear vision for the future of AI. Some popular ones include NVIDIA, Alphabet, which is Google, and IBM. These companies have been pioneers in AI technology and have shown consistent growth in this field. NVIDIA, for instance, is known for its powerful GPUs that are essential for AI computations. Alphabet, the parent company of Google, has been investing heavily in AI through its various projects and subsidiaries. IBM, with its Watson platform, has been a leader in AI for enterprise solutions. Step 2. Choose a brokerage account. Select a brokerage platform that suits your needs. A brokerage account is essential for buying and selling stocks. When choosing a brokerage, consider factors such as fees, ease of use, available research tools, and customer service. Popular options include Robinhood. E-Trade offers a wide range of investment options and robust research tools. Fidelity is renowned for its excellent customer service and comprehensive research resources. Step 3. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is a key strategy in investing as it helps spread risk. By investing in a variety of AI stocks, you can mitigate the impact of any single stock's poor performance on your overall portfolio. Diversify your investments across different AI stocks to spread risk. Consider investing in companies of different sizes and sectors within the AI industry. This way, you can benefit from the growth of various segments of the AI market, such as hardware, software, and services. Step 4. Stay informed. Keep up with the latest news and trends in the AI industry to make informed investment decisions. The AI industry is constantly evolving, with new breakthroughs and developments happening regularly. Staying informed about these changes can help you adjust your investment strategy accordingly. Follow reputable AI news sources, join online forums, and consider subscribing to industry newsletters to stay updated. Here are some popular AI stocks to consider for your portfolio. Investing in AI stocks can be a great way to capitalize on the growing influence of artificial intelligence across various industries. As AI continues to evolve, companies leading in this space are likely to see significant growth. Let's take a closer look at some of the top AI stocks that you might want to add to your investment portfolio. NVIDIA is a leader in AI hardware, known for its powerful GPUs that are essential for AI computing. These GPUs are not only used in gaming but are also critical for training AI models and performing complex computations. NVIDIA's technology is at the heart of many AI applications, from autonomous vehicles to advanced robotics. The company's continuous innovation in AI hardware makes it a strong contender in the AI market. Alphabet, Google's parent company, is a giant in AI research and development, with projects like Google Brain and DeepMind. These initiatives are pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve, from natural language processing to advanced machine learning algorithms. Alphabet's commitment to AI innovation ensures that it remains at the forefront of technological advancements, making it a valuable stock to consider. IBM has been at the forefront of AI with its Watson platform, providing AI solutions for various industries. Watson's capabilities range from healthcare diagnostics to financial services, showcasing the versatility of AI in solving real-world problems. IBM's long history in technology and its focus on AI-driven solutions make it a noteworthy player in the AI stock market. Amazon uses AI for everything from recommendation algorithms to AWS AI services. The company's AI-driven recommendation system enhances the shopping experience for millions of users, while AWS offers a suite of AI tools and services for businesses. Amazon's extensive use of AI across its operations highlights its strategic focus on leveraging AI to drive growth and efficiency. Microsoft's Azure AI is a major player in the AI cloud services market. Azure AI provides a range of services, including machine learning, cognitive services, and bot services, which are integrated into various tech applications. Microsoft's strong presence in the enterprise market and its continuous investment in AI research and development make Azure AI a significant force in the AI industry. Investing in Microsoft can provide exposure to the growing demand for AI-powered cloud services. In conclusion, these companies are leading the charge in AI innovation and development. By investing in these AI stocks, you can potentially benefit from the rapid advancements and increasing adoption of AI technologies across different sectors. Keep an eye on these stocks as they continue to shape the future of AI. Here are some tips to help you succeed in investing in AI stocks. Think long-term. AI is a rapidly evolving field. Investing with a long-term perspective can help you ride out market volatility. Stay updated. Follow industry news and trends. Being informed helps you make better investment decisions. Consult with experts. Consider seeking advice from financial advisors or joining investment forums to get insights from experienced investors. Monitor your investments. Regularly check your portfolio and make adjustments as needed based on market conditions. That wraps up our beginner's guide to investing in AI stocks. I hope you found these tips helpful and feel more confident about diving into the AI stock market. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.